So as you recall in the last video, I said an operator, or more specifically a pipeable operator, is just a higher order function. So it's a function that returns a function, and the inner function takes in a source observable and returns an output observable. God, that's a mouthful. And that's part of why RxJs is a little tricky to learn, just because of the nomenclature surrounding its usage. But I'm going to show you how it's simple. So here we want to create an operator for this reusable operation. So let's say we want to reuse this operation we just created of piping these three operators together. We can create a custom operator for this. So custom operator is a function that takes in any arguments you want. In this case, we're going to have no arguments. It's just going to have a fixed implementation. And it's going to return a function that takes in a source observable of any value and then returns the result of doing source.pipe and then whatever pipeline we want as our custom operator's implementation. So calling custom operator returns a function that, when called, takes in its source observable as an argument and then returns the result of piping our custom operators here. And so if we close this out and run this, you can see that our implementation has now been tucked away inside of this custom operator. You can go ahead and export that somewhere in your common folder or at the top level of your project and use that all over the place in your project. And you can do really cool things when you start passing arguments in here and making your own custom operators specific to your application's logic, and you can really move mountains with these things. They're the basic Legos or building blocks of RxJS.